Hello. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a table in Webflow. First, click on the Add Elements button, then scroll down to find the Other section. Here you'll see the Grid option. Drag and drop it into your slide. Once that's done, you'll notice the Edit option appearing. Click on it, and you'll find a plus symbol to add more grid cells. Now, you have the option to customize the grid to suit your needs. You can drag and drop to adjust the size, either increasing or decreasing it. Alternatively, by selecting on the edge, you can drag to adjust the size. Once you're satisfied, click on the Done button. Then, head back to the Add Elements section. Scroll down to the Basics section where you'll find the Div block. Drag and drop it into your selected grid. You should now see the div block added inside the grid. Click on Assets and choose a specific image, or you can drag and drop an image into the grid. Once you've done that, you'll see the image integrated inside the div block. Next, select the particular div block and head over to the Add Elements section. In the search bar, look for Heading. Drag and drop it inside the div block. After you've done this, you'll have the option to customize the heading styles and fonts. You can adjust the fonts by increasing or decreasing them. For further customization, scroll down to the Typography section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu under Fonts. Select the font according to your preferences. And that's it! You've successfully customized your table. This is how you can create a table in Webflow. Thank you.